Hello guys, and welcome to my channel Gustography. In this video I'm gonna be doing something with a Hoya. I'm gonna be, I guess, fixing a Hoya in a sense. It looks very leggy and I am kind of already a little bit tired of seeing it this way. I haven't watered because I'm gonna do this with it. I'm gonna be cutting it into little sections and I'm gonna be I guess fixing it in a way. I'm talking about my HOYA MATHILDE, guys. I've had this Hoya for a few months, and honestly guys, this Hoya, it has not really grown much. The only thing that it does is that it does grow peduncles. I don't know if you guys can see right here. It has a little, so yeah, it grows peduncles left and right. But other than this Hoya does not grow at all. And it came on the mail this big, like it was this big from the get-go, and it really hasn't done anything. I want it to be more bushy, more fluffy, like right here in the bottom, instead of being so leggy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this section right here, and I'm going to try and see if I could make this Hoya a nice fuller pot. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna cut it up into chunks, and then I'm gonna make it a little fuller, or try to make it fuller. Hopefully I don't kill the plant. I'll be using some nice little kitchen knives. I already sanitized this, so let's go ahead and get started. It's like this angle, so I'm gonna start out by cutting it right there, and then I'm just gonna work with this little step. So this is how the plant is for now, and then this is what I'm gonna be using to propagate and to cut, you know. And so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to be chopping this up nicely. I'm gonna be, I guess, cutting it into like little notes. So I'm gonna be cutting this little note right here, right below the leaves. Okay. I'm gonna be doing the same thing with this one. Same thing over here. I'm gonna use 2 note for this one, and then this, where the peduncle is, I'm going to cut it up right at this note right here. I don't know if you guys could tell, there's a little note right there, and that's where I'm cutting. Okay, so these were the little cuttings that I ended up chopping off from my HOYA MATHILDE. I try to cut them into like at least 2 notes, except for this one that is just one little baby cut. But as you guys can see, these are gonna be the 4 little leaves that I'm gonna be planting up here in my pot. And I don't know if I'm gonna be using it over here, putting it all the way over here, which I think I'm gonna do that actually. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and actually use this pot. I'm gonna use the terracotta pot as the actual plant for my HOYA MATHILDE. Although I kind of don't want to do it because it's already growing a little leaf right there, which came out unexpectedly. But let's just go ahead and do such a thing. Okay, we're gonna inspect the roots as well, see why it's not doing like I thought it should. So it has a really good system, and you can see there were actually 2 of them. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna put the Hoya in there. I'm gonna go grab some more soil, and I'm gonna come back in a few seconds. Okay, so I brought the Fox Farms soil from Josh's Fox, and I'm just putting this on my little Hoya. This is right before I put the little cuttings, and hopefully it actually likes it. So I'm gonna bring the camera out. I'm gonna bring this a little closer, and I'm just gonna start inserting this, just plopping them in. I feel like I made the cut too short, so anyways, I'm just gonna plop it in there. Hopefully it does well. Hopefully you guys were able to see that. This one also, tiny little cutting, just plop it in there. This one too, the little cutting, plop it in there. I feel like I cut them very little, but that's the purpose of little cuttings, to be little. Oh god. Hopefully I'm gonna put this inside my greenhouse in a few seconds after I finish with this. This is the one with the peduncle, and I'm gonna put it right in the center. There you go. So those are my little cuttings. I hope, you know, I feel like I'm gonna, I don't know, it feels weird. I don't think they're gonna grab themselves. Anyways, I'm gonna put a little bit more of the soil just on top of them, and I'm gonna spread the soil around just to help the Hoyas grab onto the soil. Hopefully I'm able to make an update with these little Hoyas. Okay, so there you go. I'm gonna flip like this. You guys can see how it looks so far. Doesn't look the best. So far, this is my HOYA MATHILDE. I hope it does really well. I'm still gonna add this. No, I'm not gonna add this. I have the little bamboo stick right here, but I don't think I'm gonna use it right now because I don't think they're gonna need it. So since the soil was a little bit wet, I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I'm probably gonna water it maybe in a few days, maybe 3 to 4 days after this. And then I'm going to put it inside the greenhouse, and hopefully it does really well in there. And I will do an update within a month from now. This is September 19th, so I will come back and have a little update for you guys, see how that goes. I'm gonna put a little bit more, just because when you water these terracotta pots, the soil will tend to, you know, sink down a little bit more. So anyways guys, hopefully this works out for me and it works well. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little random video helping my little HOYA MATHILDE get nice and full. I hope you guys have a great one, and don't forget to drink water and water your plants. Bye.